Morning, guys. So there is a little bit of a fluctuation, but I predicted that yesterday, so today is a push day. I'm a little bit late actually, it's like 8 a.m. now, because Chinese New Year is coming, so hopefully there's not going to be a lot of people at the gym. I usually go like at 9:30, but considering the fact that it's 8, I haven't had my breakfast. I most likely will be at the gym at like 10:30. It takes me at least, like, after having breakfast, it takes me about like 2 hours, I think, to get to a point where I feel comfortable working out. All right. It might be different for you, that's also completely fine, but for me, yeah, that's the case. So between my basically pre-workout meal and my actual workout, there is usually an hour and a half or 2 hours. Okay, this is like, I find it to be optimal for myself. Anyways, I'll have my breakfast, coffee and all that, and I'll see you guys at the gym.
All right, I'm at the gym now. It's our push day, so it's gonna be a quite fast workout compared to like other days, as usual. But we're still going strong. I'm still gonna be pushing as best as I can, and I'm also gonna be implementing a little bit more of like rest pause sets and so on, or drop sets. So I just finished my warm-ups, and I wanted to show you guys one thing. Okay, for example, normally when I'm not doing drop sets, right, I just keep putting on weight and weight and weight up until my like working weight. Now for this one, because I'm planning to do drop sets, to be able to do it properly, normally I would put 45 and then 10, okay? And that's how I would do my working sets. But now, because I'm gonna be doing drop sets and I don't have like a gym partner or someone to help me with these, 125, then in the middle I have 5 pounds, and then another 25. So by the time I'm done with the exercise, on my last set only, okay, I'm just gonna take this 25 out and then continue doing drop sets. All right, so this is basically how you plan and, like, you know, arrange your weights for like drop sets. All right, for, like, you know, efficiency and, like, you know, to be able to actually push yourself better. So because I'm going to be doing drop sets with this one, it's going to affect my other exercises, because this is literally the first time on this second push day I'm actually doing like drop sets on the first exercise. All right, so it's definitely going to affect my other exercises in terms of my like reps or so on, because my muscles will be exhausted. So please keep that in mind if you are going to be doing similar stuff, okay? Because you most likely will not be able to tell if I lifted like 1 rep less or 1 rep more, all right, on the video, but I'm just telling you right now, okay? So this is something normal, it's expected. Another day is done. I'm gonna talk to you guys more in recap, but I mean, in terms of performance, like, it was quite okay. All right, so I'll see you guys back at recap.
Hey guys, it's another recap time. Today I implemented drop set on my first exercise. So normally you can either choose to do it or not do it. It is completely up to you. The reason why I edit is that, I mean, it kind of gets boring for me. So I like to have like a little bit different stuff to do. But you don't have to do it if you haven't done it, and if you don't want to do it, it's completely fine. Because as I said, it might affect, most likely will affect your other exercises, the ones that are coming after that. So it might kind of like get to you mentally, but if you're okay with that, you can give it a try. If you are going to be doing drop sets or like rest pause sets like I do, you need to keep in mind that they basically serve kind of like the same purpose, to push your muscles to further than failure. Okay, so you basically go like beyond failure when you do drop sets or like rest pause sets. Because normally, let's say you put on a weight and then you start lifting, right? After you lift, you eventually come to a point where you cannot lift anymore, okay? Not even like one single rep, right? Then you stop. If you're doing rest pause set, you just rest just a little bit, right? 10 seconds, 15 seconds, whatever, and then continue. For the drop set, it's also, the rest time is pretty much the same, but instead of going with the same amount of weight, you just put away like some of the weight and then go a little bit lighter and then continue pushing your muscles, all right? So that's basically the whole purpose, to push your muscles a little bit beyond failure and get it to a more of an exhaustion levels that it wasn't going to be able to do the way you properly trained, all right? So other than that, everything's going good. The weight has increased like a little bit, like 0.3 kilos, I think, something like that. So I don't care about that. It is completely fine by me. To be honest, like in terms of my physique, I honestly feel like I'm like kind of like where I want to be. But I said the challenge is going to be 6 weeks, so I'm still going to continue with my diet and so on. Today is push day, so it's 2,400 calories, which kind of sucks, but you know. So anyways, this is pretty much it for recap. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on leg day.